morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to another episode of the Salty Tales. And today we are going with another experiment, trial, examination, test, however you want to call it. We are going to try and cook steaks in the pellet grill, so you better get your comments ready because you're going to have a lot to talk about.
We've been on and off, in and out, up and down too many times. Now it's time, show me what you got.
But not only cook, we also are going to sear in the pellet grill, and I'm really interested on trying the flavor profile this grill can produce and compare it to the regular steaks we always do. You don't need to be a pit master to produce very good quality smoke and roast meats with it. But the question of today is, can this baby cook a steak up to my steak master standards? As many other barbecue fanatics out there, I own many grills, each of them with a purpose. But the question is, can we make all our smoking, roasting, baking, and grilling with only one pellet grill? First, you should know that this is a typical pellet smoker with nothing fancy on it. There are some other pellet grills out there that I created more like a hybrid, with searing station and all that. But this pellet grill is one of the best performing and most affordable grills in the market. And that is the reason why I wanted to run this test with it. If after watching this video you are interested on it, I'm leaving a link in the description so you can check it out. First, let's preheat my pellet grill to 250 degrees, as that is the temperature we will cook the steaks on. Oh, I forgot to mention, we are reverse searing the steak, huh? My pellet grill will take about 20 minutes to heat up to the set temperature, so we can use that time to do something else. And now is when you get to see what you all been waiting for, the steak. For this experiment, I decided to go with this beautiful cowboy ribeye steak. It is a choice ribeye steak, but it's full of marbling and beautiful fat. And yes, it's thick as hell, and the reason for that is that this size of steak is way more tolerant to errors than any other thin cut. As always, I will be seasoning with sea salt and pepper, and remember never to use table salt on your meats, and set it to rest on the side for about 30 minutes. Right before setting the steak to cook, remember to add your thermometer to it so we can monitor the internal temperature. I will be cooking this steak until the internal temperature gets to 115 degrees. So I will set my meter thermometer into the center of the steak and set it into the grill. As for the wood, I'm using Z-Grill premium pellets for a nice woody flavor. Well, my trusty thermometer told me that it is 115 inside. We're gonna take it out. But first, I wanna see how it looks. The smells are incredible, guys. This whole thing smells here like beautiful beef. Let's see what's happening here. Ha 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 ha! This is too small to handle this baby. Wow. Look at this animal. This is a monster. This is beautiful. Now, the next thing we have to do with this beautiful monster, mini monster we have here. Look, it plump a little bit. It's looking amazing. And the smells, guys, smell like $1 million. It is that good. But now we have to let it rest. We're gonna let it rest for about 20 minutes so we get all those juices back where they're supposed to be, and then we're gonna start with the magic. We will be setting this grill to 450 degrees, but that's not enough, because all the heat within a grill like this is diffused by several layers in order to heat up the entire grill more evenly. So we are about to take all that diffusion off and get down and dirty. Being very freaking careful, remove the grates and the cover from the grill. There you will find the heat baffle, and if you remove it, you will be in the direct presence of the mighty hopper. The hopper is the one thing in charge of burning the pellets and heating up the grill, and right there is where we are going to set camp for the sear. Disclaimer: doing this might void the warranty of your grill, so if you do it at home, remember to never mention it. And with everything stripped off the grill, I will set my plancha right on top of the hopper and crank the grill to maximum heat, that is 450 degrees. As you can imagine, that plancha is now being heat by way more than 450 degrees, as we are removing everything in the grill that prevented from going over the max. This will be more like 600 degrees, so be careful when you're handling things around. And right when the plancha is as hot as it can get, I will place the steak on top and wait for that beautiful searing sound. It looks like it works, and based on what's going on, the searing will be perfect. When cooking on a plancha, remember to reset the steak so it can get those nice grilling marks. And after it looks caramelized and golden brown, it is time to take it out. Well, we've been winning this test so far. Now it is time to taste those flavors. Well, guys, we have this beautiful thing. The colors are amazing, and we have the biggest fan on the channel here to try it with us. And Mr. George is down there asking for the food too.
Already.
So it's a good time for us to give it a try. Mr. Ninja, what do you think about these colors and this beautiful thing we have here?
It looks gorgeous.
You gonna eat the bone, Nico?
Of course.
You gonna eat the bone? All right, Nico, let's give it a try, man, because I'm dying.
Me too, when it's freezing in Florida.
It's 60 degrees. The smells are crazy. The smells are amazing.
Oh,
this is delicious.
So soft.
And Nico is hungry. I'm hungry.
Everybody's
Miss Ninja is hungry. Let's go for it and see if this whole thing was worth it. Let's go.
Yeah. No.
Really good.
I look like this.
This is the best thing I ever cooked in my life.
This is good.
Damn.
What is it?
We have the camera girl back there.
Yeah, we have a whole crew here.
Man, Nico.
It's good. This is
it's better
good.
than the restaurant you went the other day?
Yeah.
He paid a lot of money for a restaurant. He went the other day. I told him, bro, don't do that. You just come here.
That's
I'll
right.
take care of you. Oh my God.
How is it, camera girl?
Camera girl, what's up?
Right?
That was really good, huh?
I'm hungry.
Guys, everybody's going over this thing. This is amazing. This is real good. This is delicious, brother.
And sisters.
And now that you see the whole test and the whole thing, I have to ask you a question. I have to keep giving meat away because, I mean, I don't know if they're hungry or this is good or what's up, but everybody's eating this thing like crazy.
Real good.
Did I make you hungry?
Did we?
If we made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to leave me your comments down there. What do you think about this craziness that I just created here? The results are crazy. Yeah. You have that wood flavor in there, beefy, nice, perfect, juicy, medium rare. My goodness, I had to stop because my mouth is watering.
Let's go.
That's all for today, but remember that I love ya.
Love you too. Thanks for watching. I'm hungry and bye. See ya.
I'm gonna put some grass in here and let's eat it.